How to get a lost phone back to its owner. If you've misplaced your smartphone, you know how difficult it is to find a lost device. Therefore, if you find an abandoned device, you should return it as soon as possible. However, most people lock the phone screen for security reasons. So you can't launch the Contacts app to call the owner's friends and family, unless your name and address are printed in large letters on the back of your device. You will need to resort to other methods to recover your lost phone. Here are some tips we came up with, including tips from this Reddit thread. Check the area. Detective hat and look around the area where you found the phone. Is there a wallet or code nearby that may contain contact details? Also, check any cases, as they may contain business cards, credit cards, inscriptions, or other clues that can help identify the owner of the device. Do you see someone desperately looking for a missing device while exploring the area? Observing the people around you is the fastest way to recover your phone, and it also ensures that you don't accidentally steal someone's device while they're spinning. Owners may also rush into the area looking for their cell phone. So hang out if you have time. Keep the phone on. Before playing with a lock screen, make sure the phone is on and the battery is charged. The owner may find another handset and call his number as soon as possible. So it should be left alone, so you can come and book directly. Of course, it is impossible to keep the phone on when you die. If you can't find the charger next to your lost phone, you can still charge your handset using your own cable or your friend's cable. You'll need a charger with a lightning connector for your iPhone and a micro USB or USB-C charger for your Android device. If you don't have a compatible charger somewhere, buy another one. It is cheap and may be refunded by the original owner. Study the lock screen carefully. If the owner of the lost phone has emergency contact information stored on the device, you can access those friends from the lock screen. On iOS devices, swipe up from bottom or press the home button to open the passcode screen. Tap the emergency link in the lower left corner and select medical ID. If you're holding an Android smartphone, swipe up from the bottom of the screen. Tap emergency call. Then tap view emergency information. If an emergency contact is listed, contact that contact to see who found the phone. In the meantime, you need to add an emergency contact to your phone's lock screen just in case. On iPhone, go to the Settings app, tap the Health app entry, tap Emergency ID, then tap Edit. On Android, you can go to the Personal Safety app and tap the gear icon in the upper left corner of the screen to set up an emergency contact. Ask a digital assistant. By default, both iOS and Android have direct access to the digital assistant, Siri and Google Assistant, respectively, from the lock screen unless the phone owner has disabled this feature. To launch the assistant on an iPhone that does not have a home button, press and hold the power button. For iPhones with a home button, usually older models, press and hold the home button instead. On Android, swipe up from the bottom corner of the lock screen. After accessing Siri or the Google Assistant, say call mom, call home, or another command that may access the contacts of the phone owner. Siri also has some tricks that the Google Assistant doesn't have. Ask, who's this phone? If provided, display the owner's contact details. Take a photo. At this point, you've run out of the possibility of contacting the phone owner through your contacts. Let's be creative. For example, this person may have some kind of photo and video backup system. This means that all photos and movies taken on your mobile phone will be synced to the cloud and to the owner's other devices. You can usually access the camera from the lock screen of your smartphone. Swipe left on iOS. On Android, press the power button twice. To take advantage of this, take a picture of your personal contact information. If the photo is synced to the phone owner's backup system, he can easily contact you. Set a reminder. Similarly, you can use Siri or the Google Assistant to set reminders for phone owners to see from another device. On iOS, press and hold the power button or the home button if you have one. On Android, swipe up from one of the bottom corners of the screen. When the Assistant app appears, set a 2 p.m. reminder. Call every day and tell us your name and number. If the phone owner is signed into your Apple or Google account on another device, you should be able to access your reminders there. In this case, the memo you left will be displayed at 2 p.m. every day or whenever you choose. After that, it's up to them to get in touch. Like, share, and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.